Imagine stepping onto a world bathed in perpetual twilight. The sun, a mere pinprick in the distance, casts long, eerie shadows across a landscape of frozen nitrogen and methane. This is Pluto, the dwarf planet once considered the outcast of our solar system, now a beacon of human ambition and a testament to our unyielding thirst for exploration. Could we one day call this alien world our home? The very notion seems impossible, even absurd. Yet within the realm of scientific possibility, a flicker of hope emerges. The challenges are staggering, almost beyond comprehension. Pluto's average surface temperature hovers around -375 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze nitrogen into a solid. Its thin atmosphere offers no protection from the relentless barrage of cosmic radiation. And then there's the distance, a chilling 3.6 billion miles from Earth at its closest approach, a journey that would take decades with our current technology. These are not obstacles for the faint of heart. But humanity has never been deterred by the seemingly impossible. Driven by an insatiable curiosity and an unyielding spirit, we have always sought to push the boundaries of our understanding and our reach. The journey to Pluto, and the prospect of establishing a permanent human presence there, represents the ultimate challenge, a test of our ingenuity, our resilience, and our unwavering belief in the power of human potential. Pluto, once a mere point of light in our most powerful telescopes, has slowly begun to reveal its secrets. Thanks to the New Horizons mission, we now know that Pluto is a world of surprising diversity, with towering mountains of ice, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and even a possible subsurface ocean of liquid water. These discoveries have ignited our imaginations, fueling dreams of one day setting foot on this distant world. But the journey to Pluto is fraught with danger. The sheer distance poses a formidable challenge, requiring advancements in propulsion systems that can shorten travel times and protect astronauts from the debilitating effects of prolonged space travel. Radiation shielding will be paramount, as will the development of closed-loop life support systems capable of sustaining a human crew for decades. Landing on Pluto presents its own set of hurdles. With its low gravity and thin atmosphere, traditional landing techniques are impractical. Instead, we might employ innovative solutions like inflatable heat shields or supersonic retropropulsion to safely deposit our precious cargo on the Plutonian surface. Once there, we'll need to contend with the extreme cold, the lack of breathable air, and the constant threat of meteorite impacts. Yet, despite these daunting hurdles, the dream of reaching Pluto persists. It will require a global effort, a unified push that transcends national boundaries and unites humanity under a common goal. It will demand innovation on a scale never before seen, pushing the very limits of our technological prowess. Why Pluto? Why venture so far to a world so seemingly inhospitable? The answer lies not in practicality, but in the indomitable spirit of exploration that burns within us. To stand on Pluto is to stand at the very edge of our solar system, to gaze out into the vastness of interstellar space and contemplate our place in the cosmos. It is a journey of self-discovery, a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. By venturing to Pluto, we are not merely seeking new worlds to conquer, but new perspectives from which to view our own. We are challenging ourselves to confront the unknown, to push the boundaries of what we believe is possible, and to redefine our understanding of what it means to be human. The colonization of Pluto, if it ever comes to pass, will be a defining moment in human history. It will mark the beginning of a new era, one in which humanity transcends the confines of Earth to become a truly spacefaring civilization. It will be a testament to our courage, our ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit to overcome even the most daunting challenges. And who knows what wonders await us on that distant, icy world? The possibilities, like the universe itself, are endless. Our journey begins not on a launch pad bathed in the harsh glare of artificial light, but in the hushed halls of research facilities and the bustling workshops of space agencies around the globe. The voyage to Pluto, a journey of billions of miles, begins with a single, audacious idea. To reach this distant world, we must first overcome the limitations of our current technology. Chemical rockets, the workhorses of our space program for decades, are simply not up to the task. They lack the raw power to propel a spacecraft fast enough to make the journey in a reasonable time frame. Instead, we must turn our attention to more exotic forms of propulsion. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers the stars themselves, holds immense promise. By harnessing the energy released when atoms fuse together, we could create engines capable of generating thrust levels far exceeding anything we can achieve today. Imagine a spacecraft, sleek and silver, propelled by the very forces that forged the universe. This is the future of space travel, a future where the stars themselves are within our reach. But fusion propulsion is just one piece of the puzzle. The journey to Pluto will be long and fraught with danger. Cosmic radiation, a constant threat in the vast emptiness of space, poses a serious risk to human health. To protect our intrepid explorers, we must develop advanced shielding technologies, perhaps utilizing magnetic fields or layers of water ice to deflect harmful particles. And then there's the psychological toll of prolonged space travel. Confined to the cramped quarters of a spacecraft for years on end, our astronauts will face isolation, confinement, and the psychological challenges of being so far from home. To mitigate these risks, we must create spacecraft environments that are not just functional, but also comfortable and stimulating, providing opportunities for exercise, recreation, and social interaction. Section 2. A new dawn for propulsion. The hum of powerful engines, a symphony of controlled energy, signals the dawn of a new era in space exploration. Our spacecraft, a testament to human ingenuity and international collaboration, tears through the void, leaving Earth a distant memory in its wake. Gone are the days of chemical rockets, their fiery plumes a fading relic of the past. In their place, a new breed of engine roars to life, harnessing the power of nuclear fusion to propel us towards our destination. Inside the spacecraft, a team of astronauts, the best and brightest from around the world, monitors the ship's systems and prepares for the long journey ahead. They are pioneers, explorers venturing into the unknown, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to push the boundaries of human achievement. Years of rigorous training have prepared them for this moment, honing their skills and testing their resolve. But nothing can truly prepare them for the awe-inspiring beauty and profound isolation of deep space. As the days turn into weeks, and the weeks into months, the crew settles into a routine, conducting scientific experiments, exercising to maintain their physical health, and staying in contact with loved ones back on Earth. The communication lag, a consequence of the vast distances involved, is a constant reminder of their isolation. Yet, despite the challenges, the crew remains focused on their mission, their spirits buoyed by the knowledge that they are part of something truly extraordinary. Section 3. The Approaching Behemoth. After years of travel, a subtle shift occurs. Excitement ripples through the ship, a palpable buzz that disrupts the well-established routine. Pluto, once a distant point of light visible only through powerful telescopes, begins to reveal its true nature. No longer a blurry dot, it emerges from the black canvas of space, a majestic, icy behemoth bathed in the faint, ethereal glow of the distant sun. The crew, their faces a mixture of awe and anticipation, gathers in the observation deck, their gazes glued to the viewports. Pluto's surface, a tapestry of frozen nitrogen, methane, and water ice, shimmers with an otherworldly beauty. Vast plains, scarred by ancient impact craters, stretch out towards the horizon, hinting at a history as rich and complex as any in our solar system. As the spacecraft draws closer, Pluto's largest moon, Charon, comes into view, a stark and enigmatic companion locked in a gravitational dance with its parent planet. The two celestial bodies, forever bound by their mutual attraction, cast long, eerie shadows across the Plutonian landscape, adding to the alien beauty of this distant world. The sight is mesmerizing, a testament to the power and majesty of the cosmos. Excitement mounts as the crew prepares for the most crucial phase of the mission, landing on Pluto. The success of their years-long journey hinges on this final perilous maneuver. The thin atmosphere, a wispy shroud of nitrogen and methane, offers little resistance, demanding pinpoint accuracy and nerves of steel from the pilots. First footprints in the twilight. Silence descends upon the spacecraft, a stark contrast to the controlled chaos of the landing sequence. The gentle thud of the landing struts making contact with the surface of Pluto marks the culmination of decades of planning, innovation, and unwavering human spirit. We have arrived. After a journey of billions of miles, humanity has finally reached the most distant world in our solar system. Inside the spacecraft, the crew erupts in cheers, their voices echoing through the sterile confines of their temporary home. This is a moment for the history books, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that burns within us all. Years of planning, of tireless effort and unwavering dedication have led to this singular achievement. But the journey is far from over. The hatch opens, revealing a breathtaking vista. The sun, a mere pinprick of light in the distance, casts long, eerie shadows across the frozen landscape. The sky, a deep indigo blue, is ablaze with stars, their light undimmed by any atmospheric interference. The air is still, the silence broken only by the hiss of the astronauts' breathing apparatus. One by one, the crew members emerge from the spacecraft, their boots crunching on the frozen nitrogen surface. They are the first human beings to set foot on Pluto, pioneers in the truest sense of the word. Their every step, every movement, is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless potential of our species. As they gaze out at the alien landscape, they know that they are witnessing something truly extraordinary, a moment that will forever alter our understanding of our place in the universe. The biting Plutonian wind whips across the barren landscape, a constant reminder of the unforgiving environment we now inhabit. The sun, a mere pinprick in the endless expanse of space, provides a meager amount of warmth, casting long, ethereal shadows across the frozen plains. Yet even in this alien and hostile world, humanity perseveres. Towering above the icy plains, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, stands our habitat, a beacon of warmth and light in the perpetual twilight of Pluto. This is no ordinary dwelling. It is a marvel of engineering, a self-sustaining ecosystem designed to protect its inhabitants from the harsh realities of the Plutonian environment. Thick, insulated walls composed of layers of ice and aerogel guard against the extreme cold, while powerful fusion reactors, humming quietly in the depths of the habitat, provide a constant source of energy and warmth. Inside, the air is warm and humid, a stark contrast to the frigid, thin atmosphere outside. Life within the habitat revolves around a carefully orchestrated balance between human needs and the limitations of this distant world. Every resource is precious, every watt of energy accounted for. Water, harvested from the icy plains and purified through advanced filtration systems, is a lifeline. Oxygen, generated through a combination of electrolysis and cultivated algae blooms, is carefully rationed and recycled. Waste is not discarded, but processed and repurposed, returning nutrients to the closed-loop system that sustains us. Yet despite the challenges, there is a palpable sense of hope and optimism within the habitat. We are pioneers, forging a new life on the very edge of our solar system. We are scientists, explorers, and dreamers, united by a common purpose, to expand the reach of humanity and unravel the mysteries of this alien world. And as we gaze out at the star-strewn sky, a sky far clearer and brighter than any seen from Earth, we know that we are part of something truly extraordinary. The concept of a day, a familiar rhythm dictated by the rising and setting of the sun, takes on a different meaning on Pluto. A single Plutonian day, a slow and stately rotation that stretches for almost 153 hours, governs our lives, dictating work schedules, sleep cycles, and leisure activities. We adapt, as humans have always done, to the rhythms of this new world. The work is varied and demanding. Teams of engineers and technicians ensure the smooth operation of the habitat's life support systems, constantly monitoring energy levels, air quality, and water purity. Scientists, their curiosity piqued by this alien world, venture out onto the frozen plains, their spacesuits a stark contrast to the desolate landscape. They collect data, analyze samples, and marvel at the unique geology and tenuous atmosphere of Pluto, searching for clues to the origins of our solar system. Inside the habitat, life takes on a rhythm of its own. Vertical farms, bathed in the warm glow of LED lights, provide fresh produce, while aquaculture tanks teem with fish, providing a sustainable source of protein. Exercise rooms equipped with zero-gravity treadmills and resistance training machines help us maintain our physical health in this low-gravity environment. And in the evenings, we gather in communal areas, sharing stories, playing games, and enjoying the camaraderie that comes from facing the challenges of this new world together. But it is not all work and no play. The vast, unexplored wilderness of Pluto beckons, offering opportunities for adventure and discovery. We don our specialized rovers, their thick tires designed to navigate the icy terrain, and set out to explore the frozen plains, marveling at the towering mountains of ice and the ancient impact craters that scar the surface. We gaze up at the night sky, a dazzling tapestry of stars undimmed by any atmosphere, and feel a sense of awe and wonder that transcends the challenges of our situation. The surface of Pluto, a frozen wasteland, presents a unique challenge for sustenance. Advanced hydroponics and aeroponic systems, housed within climate-controlled greenhouses, utilize faint sunlight and LED lighting to cultivate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains. Beyond the greenhouses, experiments in bioengineering are underway, exploring the possibility of adapting Earth-based crops to Pluto's unique environment. Life on Pluto is about embracing unique opportunities. The night sky, a breathtaking expanse of stars, serves as a constant reminder of our place in the cosmos. With Pluto as our base, we send out probes and telescopes, seeking answers to fundamental questions about the universe. The success of our Plutonian outpost hinges on our ability to forge a new society. The pioneers established a pioneer's code, emphasizing equality and sustainability. We embraced resource conservation, meticulously recycling everything from water and air to organic waste. Communication with Earth, a lifeline to our former home, remained a bittersweet reality. The vast distance meant messages took hours to travel, fostering a profound sense of community and shared purpose. We became a society of problem solvers, our ingenuity fueled by the challenges of our situation. The birth of the first child on Pluto marked a profound shift in our collective consciousness. These children of the Twilight grew up in a world vastly different from Earth, adapting with grace and resilience. We created virtual classrooms that connected them with teachers and students back on Earth. As decades passed, the human presence on Pluto evolved into a thriving, self-sustaining colony. We introduced elements of biophilic design, incorporating living walls, indoor gardens, and small ponds. The success of our colony on Pluto served as a beacon of hope for humanity. From Pluto, the image of Earth, a pale blue dot, takes on a profound new significance. The distance has given us a unique perspective, a cosmic awareness that transcends boundaries. We carry the hopes and dreams of our species, preserving the legacy of Earth for future generations. The successful establishment of a permanent human presence on Pluto has opened our minds to a universe of possibilities. The cosmos, once a source of mystery and fear, has become our playground, our canvas, our laboratory. We send out probes to distant star systems, seeking answers to profound questions about the universe. The human spirit is intrinsically linked to exploration, to the pursuit of the unknown. The colonization of Pluto is a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration. We have learned to thrive in this alien world, not by conquering it, but by adapting to it. As we expand beyond Earth, we confront profound questions about our place in the cosmos. The colonization of Pluto has shown us that the limits of human potential are defined only by our imagination. Our journey has just begun.